the country Sando, my favorite breakfast sandwich, and you can make it too. Here in town, there's a place called Johnny's Breakfast and Lunch, and they make my absolute favorite breakfast sandwich. It's very simple. It's a little bit different though, and I'm gonna share it with you today, my version anyway, here on the Blackstone, because this is gonna make quick work of it. It's basically black forest ham, 2 eggs, American cheese, and not that plastic stuff, like the good boar's head stuff, some softened onions, sour cream, and a hash brown patty in there on a nice onion roll. You use whatever roll you like. You could even wrap it up in like a tortilla. It's very good that way too. So let's get into this very simply. I'm gonna throw a little oil on the Blackstone, and I'm gonna get my onions down. I gotta put a little tablespoon of butter in there too. I want the butter to flavor the onions and get in there and, you know, do its magic, but I don't want it to burn. So that's why I laid down some oil first. Get that nice and melted. And that was just 1 small whole onion, and that's gonna be plenty for 2 sandwiches. Onions are softening up nice. It's been about 2 minutes now. I'm gonna throw down some hash brown patties. Make sure they got plenty of oil here. And get these guys on. And I've got this middle zone here on as high as it goes. Just really trying to heat those hash browns through, give them a nice little crisp. My onions are off to the side now. They're just gonna stay warm. They'll cook a little bit more. Now it's time to get some black forest ham on here. And this stuff is great. Lay down a bunch of these, warm them through, give them a little cook, a little crisp on these as well. So I got my ham nice and crisp up off to the side. I've got my onions off to the side. These end burners are off. That's the nice thing about having the big Blackstone is I've got 4 burners. I tend to cook in the middle or on one side and then use the other side just for keeping things warm. And it makes it a lot easier to assemble things as you're going. Another key thing is when you're cooking on the griddle, you have to have everything at your fingertips because it does go fast. I'm fighting the wind a little bit here today so you could actually hear me. But it's nice to be able to push things off to the side, let them hold, let them rest there, and everything at your fingertips. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack in some eggs. And these are nice big sandwiches. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack in 2 eggs per. Actually, one thing I like to do is I like to break the yolk so that when you bite into that sandwich, it doesn't just dribble all down your shin, shirt, goes into the beard. Not a good thing, not a good look. All right, little salt and pepper. Now, here's the other nice little twist to this, is we are gonna toast our buns, but we're gonna use sour cream. And when that sour cream hits those onions and those hash browns, that's when the magic happens. All right, get some cheese. There's so much sour cream on these sandwiches. It's almost like it's steaming the buns. They're gonna be good though. All right, they're nice and warm through. Let's plate these guys. Oh my God. Just look at that. All right, I tidied up a little bit. I let this cool off just a touch, and I cannot wait to get into this thing. It is gonna be amazing. I already know. Let's just take a look. It's got everything. It's got potato, it's got the ham. It's really a work of art. Ooey gooey sour cream in there. It kind of melts into those onions, the buttered onions. Oh. My God. It's my favorite because it's just a little bit different. It's that hash brown onion, sour cream, cheese. I mean, okay, that's everything in the sandwich, but God, it's just so good. It's not hard to make at all. Sizzle up a little ham, put a little sour cream, soften some onions. God, it's so good though. This is a great sandwich when it's cold out too, let me tell you. Well, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you make one of these. If you do, let us know. Put something in the comments below. It's been a minute since we made a few videos. Winter was just kind of tough. Life gets in the way. But we're happy to be here. It's beautiful out again, and I can't wait to be making more videos and just having more fun. I'm cooking with all my toys outside. Have a great day. Get out there and cook.